this video we'll be showing you how to create a Gmail extra space in your email so that you get little bit extra space for few time and uh, you get few time for emailing other files. See, I'm going my Gmail. Suppose this all are extra files. So what you have to do, I get too much mail of this account. Go to this option. You have to select from this @ notifications. See, so what will happen, you just paste over here and you will see, oh, so many files are here. So all select all conversation that matches search, then go to delete option. Okay, now you will get few time for emailing something and then you can delete something. I have another idea. Now what you have to do, go to, also you have to delete from trash, otherwise your mail will not be will not free up. So delete forever. Okay, this is one idea. And then the another idea is, go to your drive option, and this is all your drive. Just search any email, means suppose if it's PDF, if it's PDF you don't need any of the PDF, then you have to just select all and delete, and then go to trash and delete every file that's not useful. Then just refresh, and that's it. You'll get your few time to email your stuff.